Now I want to write this number. I always start with the tens and then go to the units. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I will write 3 in the tens room. How many units do I have? 1, 2. So I will write 2 in the units room. Can you read this number? 32. Yes, 32. How many digits is this number? 1, 2. It is 2 digits. Now, I want to write this number down. Start with the tens. How many tens do I have? 1, 2. So I will write 2 in the tens room. Do I have any units? No, I have 0 units. So I will write 0 in the units room. So what is my number? Let's read it together. 20. The number is 20. How many digits is the number 20? 1, 2. So it's 2 digits. Now let's read this number. Always start with the tens and then count the units. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 in the tens room. How many units do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 in the units room. What is this number? 44. 44. 44 is how many digits? It's 2 digits. 1 and 2. It's 2 digits. So here is my golden rule. It's a very important rule. 110. You remember the bar of 10. It is made up of how many units? How many small units did I use to make one bar of 10? Yes, super. It is made up of 10 units. So 110 equals 10 units. Now we want to answer this question together. What is 10 more than 24? Remember 10 more than? Now we learned the tens and units, so we will solve it in another way. 10 more than 24. First of all, 24 is how many tens and how many units? I have 2 tens. 1, 2. 24 is 2 tens. And how many units? The number in the units room? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So this is my number 24. I want to add 10. What do you think I may do? I will add 1 bar of 10. So this is 10 more than, means I am adding it to 24. This is 10 more than 24. So what is the new number now? Okay, let's put our 2 dashes and the names of the rooms, units and tens. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3. So the new number is 3 tens. What about the units? They are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. The number is 34. Do you notice something? The number was 24. I added 10 more, so I got 34. What do you notice? The number in the units is the same, 4, and it's still 4. What about the number in the tens? The 2 became 3. So what happened here? I added 1 to the 2 and it gave me 3 exactly. So when I want to add 10 more to a number, I will add 1 to the number in the tens room. So 24, I will add 10 more to it. I will get 34. Now, what is 10 less than 24? Less than means I will take away. First, let's see the number 24. How many tens do I have? 2. I have here 2 tens. How many units do I have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. I want 10 less than. Less means I will take away from the number. It will be a smaller number. So I will take away one of the tens. Now I want to know what the new number is. I will put my two dashes, the names of the rooms, units and tens. Start with the tens. How many tens do I have left? Only one 10. Do I count this 10? No, I crossed it out because I want 10 less. 10 less, so I crossed out this 10. How many tens are left? Only one. So I will write here 1 in the tens place. How many units do I have? The same, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 in the units place. So what is 10 less than 24? It is 14. 14. What do you notice here? The units number is the same. The number in the units is the same. 4 is still 4. What happened to the number in the tens? The 2 became 1. How did this happen? Because I want less than, so I will subtract 1 from the 2. It will give me 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 14. What is 10 more than 50? 10 more than 50. Here I have my 50. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 in the tens place and I have 0 in the units place. So I have 50. Or we can count it in another way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The same answer. Now I want 10 more. So I will add 1 bar of 10. What is my new number now? Put your dashes, the names of the rooms, and then we'll start with the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 in the tens room. Do I have any units? No, so I will put 0 in the units room. So what is 10 more than 50? 60. Okay. Remember the easier way we said is that the number in the tens room, we will take it and add to it 1 because I want 10 more. So I will add 1 to the number in the tens place. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And I will leave the units as it is. 0 will stay 0. So my answer will be 60. It's an easier way, but we get the same answer. The last example today, what is 10 less than 50? The same number, 50. Here I have 50. I want 10 less. We said less, I will take away. So I will cross out one of the tens. So now what is my number? How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 4 in the tens room. Do I have any units? No. So I put 0 in the units room. Okay, remember the shorter way we talked about? I will take the number in the tens place. Here I want less than, so I will subtract. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and leave the 0 as it is. 4 and 0, it's 40. So 10 less than 50 is 40. Thank you so much, year 2. See you the next time.